if you want to turn off two-factor authentication on your Etsy account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security tab. Click on it to view your current security settings, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Click on it to turn off two-factor authentication. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the feature, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the changes and ensure your settings are saved. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your Etsy account. Always remember to keep your account secure with a strong password and regular monitoring of your account activity.